This Sirio Performer 5000 PL antenna is known among mobile radio users for delivering strong transmit and receive performance on both citizens band and 10-meter frequencies. With its substantial power handling capability in the kilowatt range, it comfortably supports high-power setups without feeling like you are pushing the hardware to its limits. The tall stainless steel whip and efficient base loading give it impressive range when properly tuned, making it a favorite for highway and long-distance mobile work. A direct current grounded design helps bleed off static buildup, which is reassuring in bad weather and tends to reduce unwanted noise on the receiver. The detachable whip and sturdy magnetic mount make installation and removal straightforward, so it is practical for daily drivers that still need to survive regular car washes or low garages. Overall build quality is excellent, with a solid coil housing and durable materials that stand up well to wind, vibration, and long-term outdoor exposure.